One afternoon at home, Max and Min saw a short TV program called Bath Time is Fun about Archimedes, the Greek mathematician who, whilst having a bath about 2,250 years ago, observed that if you fully submerge any object into the water, like this statue of Mrs. Archimedes, you can accurately measure how much water is moved or displaced by it. He realized then that he could easily, for the first time ever, measure the volume of all kinds of oddly shaped objects by submerging them in water and measuring how much water was displaced by them. Legend has it, he was so excited by this discovery that he jumped out of his bath and ran down the street naked, shouting, "Eureka!" The twins found this last part a bit hard to believe, but they did know from video 2.6.3 about using water displacement to compare the volume of differently shaped objects. Now, the twins decided to use their centimetre blocks submerged in water to measure, not just compare, volume, just like Archimedes did. Each block has a volume of 1 cubic centimetre, so by counting the number of blocks, they would know the total cubic centimetres of volume. They especially wanted to check how many blocks, that is, how many cubic centimetres of volume it would take to displace 1 milliliter and also 1 litre of water capacity. Remember, volume measures how much space an object takes up, and capacity measures how much liquid will fill that space. In video 3.6.3, the twins learned that the litre is a standard measuring unit for the capacity of containers and is commonly used on milk and drink bottles. In video 4.6.4, they learned that there are 1,000 millilitres in a litre, so a milliliter is very small and you need a medicine cup or dropper or something similar to measure it. To submerge their centimetre blocks in water, the twins used a 2-litre measuring jug, which was marked every 250 millilitres, or 0.25 litres. They poured exactly 1 litre of water into the jug and started to carefully drop centimetre cubes into it. Luckily, Max and Min had enough cubes. It took 250 of the 1 cubic centimetre cubes to raise the water level in the jug from 1 litre to 1.25 litres, that is 1 litre, 250 millilitres. The twins knew then that 250 millilitres of capacity equals 250 cubic centimetres in volume, so therefore a 1 milliliter capacity equals a 1 cubic centimetre volume, and a 1,000 milliliter, that is a 1 litre capacity, equals a 1,000 cubic centimetre volume. To further check the volume of a milliliter, Max and Min put 15 millilitres into a medicine cup, then put 5 centimetre cubes into it, observing that the water level in the cup rose to 20 millilitres. If a 5 milliliter capacity equals a 5 cubic centimetre volume, then it shows again that a 1 milliliter capacity equals a 1 cubic centimetre volume. Max had a plastic cube with 10 centimetre sides, which he knew would equal 10 layers of 10 by 10 centimetre cubes. Each layer would be 10 by 10, that is 100 cubes. So 10 layers would equal 10 times 100, which equals 1,000 cubes. That is 1,000 cubic centimetres. The twins expected that this 1,000 cubic centimetre cube would displace 1 litre of water, and this was confirmed when they put the cube into the measuring jug and it raised the water level from 1 litre to 2 litres. Now that they knew that a volume of 1 cubic centimetre displaces 1 millilitre and 1,000 cubic centimetres displaces 1 litre, Max and Min spent half an hour finding oddly shaped objects such as a screwdriver, a big red apple, and an old soccer trophy, as well as bigger objects, which they submerged in a bucket of water, to work out how much water they displaced, and so also their volumes. They found it easy to convert between millilitres and litres by just multiplying or dividing by 1,000. See video 6.3.1. To convert from litres to millilitres, you multiply by 1,000 since there will be a lot more millilitres. To convert from millilitres to litres, you divide by 1,000 since there will be a lot less litres. Try working out the volume of a variety of objects by submerging them in water and noting how much water is displaced. You can even shout "Eureka!" if you want to. Now you can watch this video again or try the quiz and look at the chart that comes with this video.